Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to go through a setup of Kubernetes cluster on Google Cloud. So Google Cloud is actually, at the moment of recording this video, is one of the most mature, if not most mature, Kubernetes offering on a cloud out there. And it does support multi-data center, not multi-region, but multi-data center deployments, which is really interesting for reliability purposes. So in this video, I'm actually just going to show you the bare basics of how to get your cluster up and running. And in the follow-up video, I will go through setting up a emitter broker cluster and how to make it cross data center as well. Right, so first thing you want to do is you want to go and register and go on your console. I already did this. So you'll have a project, right? So once you reach the console.cloud.google.com, right, you have your project. You'll need billing enabled, I believe. Then next thing you want to do is go in here in compute. In compute we have Kubernetes engine. I have pinned it, so we have clusters. I click on clusters, and first thing you need to do, and it will take a while, is create a cluster. Right. So this will create a master and a set of worker nodes. So, all right, let's name it emitter demo. So zonal and regional differences are, zonal is just in one data center, and regional is the one we want, is actually across data centers. Pick a Kubernetes master. Let's go with default one, is fine. Now you can add one or multiple node pools. So those are the machines you're actually going to be paying for, which will execute your workload. Right. So again, let's just create three. Actually, so if you create three, it will be per zone. So it will actually total create 9. So let's create one in each, which will create 3 nodes. And one standard is fine. Actually, maybe even smaller ones. Let's get the small G's. You want to enable auto update as well. So and Google Cloud will also do auto update of your masters. So we're going to this. So you might want to dig in additional options, enable load balancing, and all of that. I think it's all good here. We can go and create. Now this will take a while it's actually creating. I'm going to explain you a bit more how this works. So you have your clusters here. You have the workloads. So that is really nice. So once you have your application, for example, once we have emitter here, we'll have our workload. So we can do deploy here, or we're actually going to deploy it through kubectl. So we're going to take a YAML file instead of doing this, but it will appear here. Again, services will be your load balancers, your DNS resolution, cluster IPs, and all that. Right. Interestingly, they just introduced applications, so you can deploy application from marketplace. So if you want something like GitLab for your code source control, you can just do that. Configuration is really important. So in Kubernetes, you have configurations, and Kubernetes offers a configuration management. So you have your configurations here, and as well, we might do a separate video on that. It can also store secrets. So for example, your emitter license key, you don't actually want this to be plain text anywhere. So you might want to actually use Kubernetes configuration and make it a secret. So only Kubernetes can retrieve it. Similarly, we have storage. So I have two things here. Actually, storage classes, and we will go and create one later on. and then persistent volume claims, that's actual volumes of data. Right, so how's our cluster doing? It's still spinning, but that's pretty much it. Once we have cluster, you can deploy, and for example, you can deploy Nginx. So you can use this UI or use kubectl. So for kubectl, you do want to go and install Google Cloud Tools. All right. So you do want to have this installed. It's pretty simple, but this will install kubectl and everything. Right. For example, I'm on Windows, so it will install for Windows. Thank you for your attention, and please subscribe, thumbs up for the video, and let me know if you're interested in something else, maybe besides the meter as well, so I can explain and demonstrate. Thank you.